Simplify, giving your answer in the simplest rational form. Now with the first one, 3/4 to the -1, I'm just going to spend a little bit of time looking at what happens with a fraction and a negative index. Remember that that means 1 over 3/4 to the power 1, or just 1 over 3/4. Now remember that that means 1 divided by 3/4. What happens when we're dividing with fractions? Well, we keep the first thing the same. We flip the second fraction and we change the divide to a multiply. Remember the mnemonic KFC, keep, flip, change. And that, of course, is 4/3. Compare that to the original fraction. The negative has flipped the fraction upside down. Once we appreciate that, we don't need to go through all of this process, and we can shortcut that. So, 3/4 to the -1, the negative index is just going to flip the fraction upside down, and that is 4/3. With the next one, the negative part of this index will flip the fraction upside down, but it's still to the power 2. So, what we have is 3/2 squared, which is 3/2 times 3/2, which is 9/4. So that one is going to be 9/4. Note at this stage that 9/4 is the same as having 3 squared over 2 squared. We're coming to the idea of the power here applying to both things inside the bracket. We'll be looking at that shortly. For the next one, whenever you get this situation, turn the mixed number into an improper fraction. So for 1 and 1/8, that's 8 times 1, add 1 is 9/8. So it's going to be 9/8 to the -2. And then the negative part of this index is going to turn the fraction upside down, but we still have the squared. And then just like the previous one, it's going to be 8 times 8 is 64, and 9 times 9 is 81. Then for this last one, well, we know that 7 to the 0 is equal to 1. 7 to the -2 will be 1 over 7 squared. So we have 1 take away 1 over 49. And of course, 1 is 49/49. So we've got 49/49, take away 1/49. So this one is 48/49.